So today's prompt is a sales one. So the prompt we're using today is based on these three common client objections. And if you know what these client objections are, you can put them in right here, but this is just going to look them up for us. So based on these three common client objections, write improved talk tracks and analogies to help close deals faster for an HVAC company. So again, you put in all of your parameters in here, subbing out HVAC company for whatever you do. We're having it search for common objections, but if you already know what they are, you can put them in there. And we said improve talk tracks with analogies. You know, you can obviously change those words for whatever specific thing you might be looking to improve in your sales process. So it pulls up here three different objections. One is too expensive, which I think is honestly fits a lot of different industries. I need to think about it. So people that, you know, whatever you're doing in your sales process hasn't got them to kind of get to the close stage. And number three, I want to get other quotes. So again, whatever you're presenting hasn't been, you know, they haven't had enough perceived value in order to close the deal. So this gives you the different talk tracks and analogies here. We'll just pick one here. It's like having a leaky roof. You can think about fixing it for a while, but every rainstorm does a little bit more damage. So they're trying to say like, hey, you know, your HVAC system is only going to get worse from here. So if you don't do something soon, you know, you're going to be in a worse spot than you are now while you're kind of kicking your tires. So this is a great way for your sales team and your sales leadership to sit down with your people and improve that sales process.